Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on this tutorial I'm gonna give you the step on how to alternate tags on TikTok, or how to make like changing one by one tags on your TikTok video. So here I've already on TikTok and I'm going to just click on a plus icon, and here I'm going to record a 10 seconds video. Okay, so this is just an example. You can record any video that you want. Okay, it's done. Just click on the check icon, and then after that click on text at the top right. And here, for example, I want to type in hi guys, and then click on done. And after you type in this text right here, just click on the text and you'll see there is a set durations. Just click on that to alternate this text with the other text. So here just adjust the duration. For example, I want it appears for like 1.5 seconds. Just click on a check icon and then click on the text again and add another text that you want to add. Don't forget. Okay, I'm going to place it in here and then click on the text again and click on set duration. I'm going to set it for like 2 seconds. Click on the check icon and then here click on the text again. Okay, here is the last text. Click on done, and then here I'm going to put it in here like this, and click on the text again, set durations, and I'm going to set it in here like this, and here is the final result. You can see the text is alternating, it's appear one by one. Okay guys, so that's all the tutorial for me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.